Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews. We're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new 2020 Heartland Bighorn 3850 ML. Go ahead and come on inside, we'll take a look. As you can see, the nice heavy-duty MORryde steps that lift up into the door. And as you come in here, it's a rear living setup with a nice big window, a couch here that converts into a queen bed. You have a fireplace, huge 4K Ultra TV, the table and chairs dinette, nice big sink here. On this side you have the Furrion oven, 3-burner cooktop with the new upgraded grill, tons of storage here in the kitchen, 4 drawers there, and then a really big fridge. The nice thing about this fridge is it's not divided, so you have pass-through in the freezer, giving you tons and tons of capacity. And on this side here, storage setup, which is enormous. And this year's model, one of the cool perks about it is there's no more latch hinges. These are all magnetic. And as you come up here, we'll take a look at what makes this unit extremely unique. The bathroom in this setup is a nice big walk-in shower. I'm 6'2", and fit in here very easily. And then this unit has a double sink setup, so a huge restroom. And then on this side, either storage space or your washer and dryer hookup with tons and tons of storage for all your towels and bathroom needs. And come around through here. Nice queen bed, east-west facing. You have power on both sides. The whole front cap is your closet. And then this unit comes with a Dyson vacuum. Tons of storage here. The drawers pull all the way out. Storage on either side and a television in the bedroom. Now this unit has tons and tons of storage out here. As you can see, basement storage goes all the way across. And what these guys do to make them special, down here you'll notice the frame. They drop the frame here to give you a couple extra inches in the basement and then a couple extra inches of headroom. And then around the front here you'll see the new color, the painted front cap with new graphics on the front. And then down here your either generator storage or additional storage. Propane here, the opposite side of your basement storage, and then down in here you'll see you have all your water controls, your outside shower, and your wastewater pulls, all nice and centrally located. And then on this side you have your auto level setup, nice and easy to use. And again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at this unit, probably won't last very long. It's brand new. My number here is 541-731-8583. Thank you.